Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home and doing your work regularly. So, students, today we will discuss about one writing task, and that is paragraph writing. So, firstly, you should know what is paragraph. Students, paragraph means a group of sentences. Means whenever you have given a topic and you are telling to write a paragraph on this topic, in that situation, first what will you have to do at first? You have to frame some sentences in your mind and to combine those sentences in a group, that will be a paragraph. Clear? And sentences should be on one central idea. मीन्स आपने जो भी सेंटेंसेस तैयार किए हैं वो एक सेंट्रल आइडिया पे ही डिपेंडेंट होने चाहिए. सेंट्रल आइडिया मीन्स सपोज यू आर आस्किंग टू राइट एन essay या टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन yoga. In that situation, your whole sentences will be of yoga. Is that clear? So that will be a central idea. Is that clear? And central idea should be based on unity of sentences. The sentences should be in one order. The idea should have variety of sentences. Means कि एक तो आपके sentences में unity होनी चाहिए. All sentences should be interlinked with each other. They should be in order, means their serial number should be in a proper order. And the idea should be of variety of sentences, कि उसमें variety of sentences होने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक ही बात लेके उसको बार बार explain किए जा रहे हो. Is that clear? So I hope you all have cleared what is paragraph. A paragraph is a logical group of sentences focused on one central idea, and these sentences must have unity, order, and variety of sentences in them. Students, one thing you have to keep in mind always, that is a paragraph can be in any length, but generally it should be in 8 to 10 sentences whenever it is asked in exam. Now let us discuss the template or the chart of paragraph. So students, the template or chart of paragraph includes 5 steps. Means there are 5 steps involved in template of paragraph. The first step will be define. Means define the topic of the paragraph. First of all, if you have given any topic, in that step you have to elaborate the introduction of the topic. Is that clear? And the second will be problem. Means you have to explain the problem which you are currently facing. And the third will be, if there will be a problem, then the solution should also be there. Is that clear? So third step will be of solution. Means to provide the solution to resolve the problem. In third step, you have to talk about the solution of the problem. Is that clear? And the fourth step will be the benefit. Benefit means to state the benefits of the solution. Why you are giving, means you have to talk about the benefits. Why you are giving the solution of this problem. Clear? And the last, not the least, will be conclusion. Conclusion means to conclude the paragraph in a positive way. So students, in this step, your conclusion should be positive. Although you have given a topic on social problem, you will define, you will tell the problem, you will tell the solution, you will tell the benefits of the solution, but conclusion should be in a positive sentence only, means the end of the paragraph should be positive. Is that clear? So students, please always keep these 5 points in your mind while writing the paragraph. Now, let us discuss an example on moral values. So, in today's session, we will talk about moral values. Why moral values are important in our life. So, let's move forward. Now, we'll talk about moral values. So, students, firstly, you should know the meaning of moral values. What is moral value? So students, moral values means when you learn some good or bad actions by an experience, then it is the moral of that problem. Is that clear? So इसका मतलब ये है कि जब आप कुछ भी अच्छा या बुरा सीखते हैं और उसके रिजल्ट में आपको जो शिक्षा मिलती है, that will be the moral value. That can be good, that can be bad. But bad values we will not discuss, because we will discuss only the good values. It means moral values are known as the good values. Is that clear? And in good values, it include some good habits like good values like sincerity, helpfulness, love, hard work, respectfulness, work hard, punctuality, adjustment, compromise. These all are the good values. And these good values taught us to unite to United States by our parents and instructors. It means ये सारी गुड वैल्यूज़ हमें किसके द्वारा सिखाई जाती हैं? या तो हमारे टीचर्स के द्वारा या फिर हमारे पेरेंट्स के द्वारा. मीन्स ऑलवेज पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स विल प्ले अ वाइटल रोल टू टीच यू गुड वैल्यूज़, टू टीच यू मॉरल वैल्यूज़. मॉरल वैल्यूज़ का मतलब होता है नैतिक शिक्षा. नैतिक शिक्षा मीन्स आप में अच्छे संस्कारों का समाधान करना है या आप में बुरों का करना है. ये सब किस पे डिपेंडेंट है? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स. सो पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स आर प्लेइंग अ गुड रोल टू टीच यू good moral values. Is that clear, students? Now I hope you all have cleared these good values. Now let's move forward. Now I will discuss what is the importance of moral values. So students, always keep in mind moral values play a vital role in our life, especially in students' life, because a student's life is full of challenging. He has to face so many challenges in the whole life. He has to compromise, he had to be adjusted, he had to be hard work. Is that clear? So these all are the moral values, and a student has to face all these moral values in his life. Now let's discuss some important points which are very important to get the moral values, to get the knowledge of moral values, ki why moral values are important in our life. Firstly, it helps us to define right and wrong path. If you have good moral values, if you have good habits, then you can choose your path yourself. Means if you have two paths in front of you, means one is wrong and one is right, then you can choose your right path obviously if you have good values. Clear? So first point is it helps us to define right and wrong path. Is that clear? Now the second will be it helps us to lead a disciplined life. सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है कि एक मॉरल वैल्यूज़ हमें अनुशासित जीवन जीने में भी मदद करती हैं. मीन्स इट हेल्प्स अस टू लीड अ डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ. समय पे उठना, समय पे सोना, वी ऑलरेडी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट पंक्चुअलिटी इन गुड वैल्यूज़, है ना. सो इट हेल्प्स अस टू लीड अ डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ. इज़ दैट क्लियर? To complete your homework on time, to finish your lunch or dinner on time, है ना. These all are the good habits. Is that clear? Now the third will be it reflects one's character spiritually. Spiritually मतलब क्या है कि किसी भी करेक्टर को spiritually reflect करता है. If you have good habits, then you always will trust in God. Is that clear? तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये आपकी मतलब शख्सियत को स्पिरिचुअली भी रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. द नेक्स्ट इज इट हेल्प्स टू डील विद टफ सिचुएशंस. यस, दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि ये हमें हमेशा टफ सिचुएशन में डील करने में भी मदद करता है. टफ सिचुएशन मीन्स suppose as a student, we are taking an example. As a student, you have a very tough chapter in your syllabus and you have to revise that chapter yourself because you can't take help from any other student or any other मतलब आप किसी बड़े से कोई हेल्प नहीं ले सकते. तो उस सिचुएशन में you have to read that chapter yourself. क्लियर? सो उस केस में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये हमें टफ सिचुएशन में भी हेल्प करता है कि हमें उसका सामना खुद करना है. अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें ये चीज़ सिखाई है कि बेटा आप डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर्स, प्लीज़ डू दिस वर्क इंडिपेंडेंटली, सो उस केस में हम इसको अच्छी आदत ही कहेंगे कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने आप में एक अच्छी आदत डाली है कि आपने इंडिपेंडेंट होकर स्टडी करनी है. यू डोंट बी इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर्स. Is that clear? Now the next point is it helps us to build good relations. Yes, इससे हमारे relations भी अच्छे बनते हैं. Relations means, so good relations means personally as well as professionally. So इसकी मदद से हम अच्छे relations बना सकते हैं, personally भी और प्रोफेशनली भी. मीन्स इफ़ यू हैव गुड हैबिट्स you can adjust with the other company, you can compromise with the environment. In that situation it will be beneficial for you because it helps you to make good relations with the other persons. Is that clear? And the next is it helps us to eradicate problems. eradicate का मतलब होता है समस्याओं को दूर करना. तो ये हमारी समस्याओं को दूर करने में भी मदद करती है. मॉरल वैल्यूज़ हेल्प्स अस टू इरेडिकेट प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक चीटिंग, वायलेंस, जेलसी फ्रॉम अदर्स, है ना. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स कैन बी इरेडिकेटेड बाय ए गुड मॉरल वैल्यूज़. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप you all have cleared what are moral values, why moral values are good, and which type of moral values are good. Clear? And why moral values are important in our life. Clear? So always keep in mind moral values play a vital role in our life. Clear? Because it helps us to know about what is good and what is bad. Is that clear? So I hope you have understood this topic very well. If you have any doubt, students, then you can consult me on my personal number, and this topic will be re-explained in Zoom class. If you have any doubt, then note it in your notebook and send to your class teacher at least 2 days before, so that I can give you the proper solution of your problem. Is that clear? So now stay home, stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.